everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Craft Designs. I've just got a quick stretch bracelet that I'm going to do. This is Sabrika's. These are just off of Amazon. And they've got a great collection of beads. These in particular are just acrylic. I don't say just acrylic. These are acrylic beads. And I hesitate saying just, because I know a lot of people frown on acrylic beads. And really and truly, when you put them in a mix with other glass beads, you literally almost can't tell the difference. That is so a glass bead. It's not even funny. They have such an array. Sorry. They really mix together very well with glass beads. So you can throw a bracelet together with just a few glass beads and make a really nice stretch bracelet. So I'll leave the link below to Sabrika's beads on Amazon. They've got great little kits, and some of these beads are actually from kits. Now, I've said this before, but pre-stretch your elastic cord, even if it says it's already stretched or that it doesn't need stretching. Stretch it anyway. If you've got one of those bead keepers or whatever, feel free to use it. A bulldog clip, just like I do, just hold on to it. Yes, you may drop a bead occasionally, but it is what it is, right? Okay, and if you're smart enough to put your glasses on, you can make this a lot easier. So I say. Oh my goodness. The tip is just... Okay, I'm not even going to finish that statement. Okay. It's somehow... No, I'm right. I thought I had messed up. Anyway, just carry on adding the different beads. Now, I just added the first glass one, so that'll help with the weight of the bracelet a little bit. It'll give it a little bit of weight. This one just has very few, well, those are all four pyrite, and I believe those, I'm not sure about those. Those are either glass or real stone anyway. And it just adds a nice weightiness. Okay, now just a little bit of, this happens to be crackle accents, but glossy accents, gel super glue works just as well. I just don't like the way it feels on my fingers. Alright, I'm going to start like I'm tying a shoe. Left over right. Just tie my shoe. Okay. Now, right over left. Put it through once. Put it through twice. I don't know why that was so hard. Pull it. Now, holding both ends in one hand. Pull the knot while holding the end. Okay, that'll be sure it's good and tight. Then I'll just tie another knot. Okay. Again, I'll hold the ends, pull the knot across the top of my finger, and just put a dollop of the crackle accents / glossy accents. Then I will just let it dry before I clip it off. Okay? It's really cute. Simple. Got a little weight because of the glass beads. But really cute. Okay, I'll leave the link to the Sabrika beads jewelry making bracelet kit. It does come with the elastic. It makes up to 16 bracelets with beads, elastic, and photo designs included. It really does have some cute designs. Super simple. You can do this with your grandkids. This would be fun. Get them all around the dining room table and bead away. Okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I've got an Amazon shop link. I'll leave the link to Sabrika's beads. And the rest of my social media links are listed below. Bye for now. Okay. This time I've got pink and the glass. I know pink is so not me, but I'm trying. Okay, these little crackle beads are the glass. Hey, you can keep from dropping them. And I've got these These are little rhinestone spacer beads. Those are from the Co-Beads package that I just got recently, so I shall leave a link. Is there a hole there? Yes, there is. I think these are so absolutely gorgeous. I don't know why. I love the crackle glass, and those crackle acrylic are they're just they're just really pretty. And I know there may be experts out there that can tell the difference, but for somebody like me, they're all the same. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, I'll have to check it for length, but I can tell it's nowhere near long enough. So, we shall keep going. Okay. And I think I will continue on with some of these crackle glass. If I can get them out. Okay, that's 2 on each side, so that ought to be enough. Okay, I can see you've got a hole. I just looked at it. Okay, don't say that out loud. I knew I wasn't crazy. Okay, maybe I am, but still. I think I'll be back when this is done. Oh, oh. One more. Okay. Alright. Same deal. Left over right. Just like tying my shoe. Right over left. Right over left. 2 times through, and this time pull it tight. Okay, hold on to both ends. Then pull on either side of the knot. Don't do that. Okay, just like tying a shoe. Okay, now still holding tension. Go the other way. Whatever you did the first time, go the other way. Left over right this time. Okay, 2 times. This time pull it good and tight. Okay, now hold on to the ends. And then pull on the knot. Just to make sure it's tight. Okay. Now, I'll do it again. Okay. Now, while holding on to the knot, holding it across my fingers right there, I'll just put a drop of glossy accents and then let that dry. Okay, and that's 2 for today. Okay, and if you have trouble hiding your knot, just put a charm. Just put a large jump ring right there where your knot is, and then a couple of smaller jump rings with your charm on. So it hangs right. This one in particular is actually I guess it's a solid brass charm. It's super heavy. So, there you go. Really cute. I'll leave the Sabrinka's link down below. Lots and lots of fun. I could just go on and on. Okay? Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I have an Amazon shop. I'll leave the link. Like I said, for Sabrinka's, Sabrika's. She has an Amazon shop. I'm so sorry, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye for now.